Hi students, we are going to see today Fisher's and Haworth projection formula of glucose. Is also in the lesson in carbohydrates. Last class we have seen how to draw the structure of glucose and we have studied the classification of glucose. Here we write how the open chain structure of glucose, which is Fisher's projection formula, and that also can be written in ring stitches, which is described by Haworth. Okay, so now we write the glucose open structure. The glucose general formula is C6H12O6. How we write the structure, open structure of glucose, that is with 6 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I told you in the previous class, always first to remember first carbon with the aldehyde group CHO. So CHO, when it is written in the open structure, we write it is CH and double bond O it is written. Then the last carbon it is with the CH2OH. Then the remaining all these left side hydroxyl group, that is OH, except the third carbon. So second carbon also OH, third carbon H, then all the other carbons with the hydroxyl group OH. Then here on the left side it is hydrogen, here OH and here hydrogen. So this is the open form of glucose. Open form of glucose. Okay. Now there is the interaction between this first carbon and with the fifth carbon. Why? Because and this first carbon it has got C double bond O and H, and this O oxygen has got higher electronegative activity. So it will get partially a minus charge and carbon will get positive charge. And the fifth carbon that contains hydrogen here will get plus charge and the oxygen will get the minus charge. So as they are interacting with oxygen and hydrogen, it will interact, so which means this hydrogen will go here with the oxygen, and then carbon also will have connection with this oxygen. So how it can be written after the interaction? It can be written as this oxygen is added with this hydrogen added with the oxygen, that is first carbon 3, 4, 5, 6, sixth one is CH2OH. Okay, and then from the fifth carbon the hydrogen is written here with the O, that is OH. Then here on the left is hydrogen, then the second carbon it is with OH, and the third carbon with the hydrogen, then the fourth carbon is with the OH, and then this oxygen will interact with the carbon. So here we write this O here, and here hydrogen, also hydrogen, sorry, here OH, here hydrogen. So in this structure the OH group is on the left side. So this left side containing oxygen structure, we call it is alpha D glucose. It is alpha D glucose. The same thing we also write the hydroxyl group which is on the right side also can be written in the left side. So how it can be written? That is first carbon, the hydrogen which is in the left side, that will be written on the right side. The OH that is on the right side, here it is on the left side, OH. Okay, then the remaining carbon will be written as it is, that is with OH, third carbon with hydrogen, fourth carbon on the right side with OH, then the fifth carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth carbon with here, that is oxygen with the first carbon connection, and then the sixth one is CH2OH. Okay, then the remaining thing is written as it is, that is hydrogen, and here OH, here hydrogen, and here hydrogen. So now here the hydroxyl group, that is OH group, it is on the left side in the first carbon, and in this structure the hydroxyl OH group is on the right side in the first carbon. So this is called as alpha D glucose, this is called as beta D glucose, beta D glucose, beta D glucose. So these are the two structures, we call it this alpha beta D and alpha D glucose, we call it anomers. These two structures are called as anomers. Why we call it as anomers? It is the same, the structure is the same with this single changes, that is in the first carbon the OH is on the left side, that is alpha D, the OH is on the right side, but still they are called as anomers. Okay, now this is the Fischer structure projection of glucose. And how would he written in ring structure, that is pyranose structure. The pyranose structure, it is 5-membered ring hexagonal structure. Here we draw it first, the ring. Okay, here is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, and this one is here is sixth carbon. In the sixth carbon, how we write here? Now this beta D glucose we are going to write in the ring structure. Okay, one thing to understand here is the way which is on the left side top to be written. Top to be written in the sense the half line plane polar, we write the half above, the top structure we write the left side things. So left is top, right side, which are on the right side, that should be written on the bottom or down. Right is down. Okay. Now here what is here on the left side? The first carbon OH is on the left side. So this is first carbon. So we write on the top, that is here OH. Then the second carbon, it is hydrogen. Then the third carbon is OH. Then the fourth carbon is hydrogen. Then the fifth carbon is hydrogen here. The sixth carbon, already here what is here, that is CH2OH. This should be written in the sixth carbon, that is CH2OH. Okay, so this is the beta D glucose ring structure, that is pyranose. Pyranose, beta D glucose. Then the same thing we can also write this alpha D glucose in the ring structure. The same way we also write the ring structure first. We draw the ring structure, that is hexagonal ring with the 5-membered ring. This is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is the sixth one. The sixth carbon, what is here? CH2OH. So here we write CH2OH, the sixth carbon. Okay. Now here also the same thing, which is on the left side should be written on the top, which is on the right side that should be written at the bottom or at the down of the plane. Okay, so here what is here in the first carbon, that is hydrogen. The first carbon we write on top hydrogen, second carbon also hydrogen, third carbon it is OH, fourth carbon is hydrogen, fifth carbon is hydrogen. Then the sixth one CH2OH, it is in the first sixth place. Already we have written this hydrogen will be in the fifth carbon. Okay. Then when we write this on the right side, that should be written at the bottom. That is here OH, and here second carbon OH, third carbon hydrogen, fourth carbon is OH. Okay, already fifth carbon is written. The same thing, it is also written in this way. Here the right side, which is on the right side, that should be written at the bottom here hydrogen. Then the second one is OH, and here H, and here OH. So this is the ring structure of pyranose, and here this is alpha D glucose, and here is the beta D glucose. In the same style, the same way, the same method we also follow to write for fructose also. That we shall see in the next class. Thank you, students.